Hey, what's up everybody, it's Innocent here, and here are my top 5 apps of the month of March 2020. Before we dive into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So starting up at number 1 on the list today is called Vanny. Have you realized how stressful it is to sometimes reach out to your phone and then pick it up? This app right over here has got you covered. It helps you to customize your phone calls, incoming calls, such that it can be answered by voiceover. So for instance, if you say answer for an incoming call on your phone, the phone automatically gets answered. If you say decline, it automatically gets declined. It is as simple as that. You can as well customize it here. If you don't want to basically use the default one over here, like the answer, decline in speaker, you can just set up a word for it, and then whenever you have an incoming call, this is going to work out for you. Additionally, you can also set up some nice and beautiful incoming call home screen, or sort of like a theme for your call. So whenever you're on a call or there is an incoming call, you're going to have something of this beautiful thing. There are a couple of things that you can explore with this particular app when you have the premium version. For instance, you can have no ads, unlimited themes, and then you set multiple commands. So beautify your incoming call home screens and get your voice commands working for you. In these times of the world where everywhere is almost locked down, and then self-isolation is the most important thing that everyone is preaching about, one of the few things that will help you stay indoors is music. And to get the best out of this music, you just have to get used to the lyrics. Genius at number 2 on the app list today will help you find the better lyrics for your music. It works very simple. You can search with the artist name or the song title, or basically to identify the song. So you go to the search over here, and then if you know the artist name, say Nathaniel Bassey over here, you can just click on it, and then you can scroll through his music, and the one that you want to learn the lyrics, like Unise Iyanu, you just click on the lyrics over here, and then it will be there for you. You can click on the play button on the top right over here to play along with a YouTube video of the song or music, so that you can sing along with the lyrics. Now, what about if you just know the title of the song? So if you know the title of the song, you just have to type it in, say We've Got Tonight, and then it will search plus the artist of the music, and then you can learn more about even the artist, and then the song title, the producer, and everything. So it basically brings you the lyrics over here, and that one too, you can play along with a YouTube video. Now finally, if you don't know the artist name, you don't know the song that is playing, you can just go to the 3 bars over here, go to the identify music, and then you can identify the music by placing your phone closer to the song that is playing, and then it is going to identify the song, give you the artist name, and then give you the lyrics of the music as well. Try Genius and let me know what you think. Now, what if I told you you can use your WhatsApp emojis as stickers also? As number 3 on the list today is called Stickers, a collection of over 10,000 stickers that you can use for free on WhatsApp. It comes in categories starting right from the emojis, so you can use your emojis on WhatsApp still as stickers. Now, there are other options like the memojis, the love roses, the beautiful, the funny, and a lot of them way to sports, games, and everything. So almost every type of sticker that you want to find in WhatsApp, you can find one over here. It is very simple to use. What you have to do is you select any one of them, for instance the memoji over here, and then you can choose the pinky one, say this one, which comes with 15 stickers. What you do next is you add them to your WhatsApp, and then you should receive this particular notification. So you go ahead and then you click on add, and then automatically it has been added to your WhatsApp. So what you do next is you go back, or you head back to your WhatsApp, and then inside of your WhatsApp you go to your stickers. So if you don't know where to find your stickers, over here is the emojis. You can go to GIF, and then the stickers right over here. So you can see that the memoji, the pinky memoji, has been added to your stickers, and then you can go ahead and then you use them for free. So it comes with a great lot of collections for free that you can just use them. Go and download stickers and let me know what you think about this app. Oh yes, I understand that this self-isolation comes with a lot of boredness, so why don't you try some Would You Rather games. This app number 4 here, called Would You Rather, has a lot of questions for you to answer. A very typical question is, would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years, or you live 10 lives that last 100 years? Each of them. Let me know about your answer in the comment section over here. So the Would You Rather app has a lot of categories that you can browse from. That has a lot of questions. Some has 30, some has 40 questions that you can occupy yourself with whilst you isolate yourself in your room. It can help you to boost up your social media game, so you can be posting some Would You Rather questions on your social media handles, your Twitter, Instagram, Facebook handles, and then you'll be getting a lot of interesting and funny answers. So this app is basically here to help you kill your boredom and then to boost your social media game. So still on not getting you bored during this self-isolation state is Riddle Quiz, and that will be the last app for this particular episode. This app comes with a lot of riddle and puzzles that you can play along lonely or with your family. So it is categorized into easy, hard, animal, food, kids, love, almost everything that you want to know or you want to answer questions on. It has a very simple and very nice simple interface that you can play, or your kid can even play when the person is alone. So it is very simple. It has a simple question, or as you say, a complex one. The more it dries, the wetter it becomes. What is it? And then you can either choose to answer it if you are playing along with a friend, or you can tap on the answer or tap to show the answer if you don't know it. So basically this answer is the towel. Now let me know if you can answer this particular one in the comment section. What is harder to catch? The faster you run. The winner gets a 5 cedis credit or airtime from any network at all that the person would choose. And yes, that wraps it up for this month's episode of the 5 best apps of every month. Be sure to check out that of other months as well, and that of last year's own. I've got a couple of them that you can get some best and interesting apps, especially in this time of isolation and lockdown. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch this video. Please don't forget to check other videos, like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's Innocent here, and